warm?
First set.
Is it warm? Okay. You all right? You need the keys to get some heat on? Okay.
You need my card or what? You got one? Okay.
She ain't want to be. Look out. Hey, nothing much. I know you already told me. You told your neighbor. I know you told your. That wasn't my drone. I don't be wrecking that much. That wasn't my drone. Is it good? Like here, what kind you get? Beef or chicken? Both, all three of them. He experimenting. Shit, all three of them good.
All three.
Already, man. It's going down. We got Terry Hogg back up here.
What bar are you at?
They said this was second round of the daily driver. This second round of the daily driver?
Yeah.
Okay.
Double pass. Bet.
I don't know why student driver, he could have probably won this hoe.
Well, you got a bar? Yeah.
Terry Hogg got a buy. Terry Hogg with the buy. I'll waffle the S10. Really, from what my past experience, man, it's hard to. I don't even want to say it, but
It's all our class.
hey, this the all-out class, bro. You don't know. I don't know either, man. You gotta be a different kind of person in order to waffle out something. From what I've learned and seen online, you can't just be. I don't know the word to give you. I do, but I don't even want to tell you. But you gotta be a special kind of person in order to waffle something off, or your waffle don't get filled up. You hear me? You gotta hire another person in order to waffle stuff off. You gotta put somebody else in the game. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel, right? Already, man. You been enjoying yourself when you watching? Already, I'm glad you on it, man. I sure appreciate it too. I appreciate it. Let me go see this. He got a buy too or what? Coming. Yeah, he got Yoda in the back. Excuse me.
I didn't know you said something else.
bike. Oh yeah, he got that thing biting, y'all. He finna make him a pass down here. Not playing no games out here, man. Clint is not playing no games. Ain't it? Ain't that bitch getting? He ain't playing no games. That's what I say. All out, they gonna have to come on with it.
Hey, they gonna have to beat that motherfucker.
Damn. Okay, we got something with a big turbo on it coming up. I ain't even